Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick guide, we're going to take a look at how to customize Slack's direct message privacy. This is a feature that will help you control who can send you messages, ensuring you have a focused and productive workspace. The first step is to open Slack and navigate to your workspace. Now, click on your workspace name at the top left corner. This gives you access to crucial settings and tools that help customize your Slack experience. Next up, let's click on Settings and Administration, then Workspace Settings. The reason we do this is because the workspace settings house all the privacy and permission settings that you need to adjust for your account. Now that we've done that, scroll down to the Privacy and Compliance section and click on Expand. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you expand this section, you're accessing the various privacy options that Slack provides. The next step is to click on Direct Messages. In this section, you'll see options to control who can send you direct messages. You can select from options like Everyone, Only People in My Workspace, or Only People I Follow. The reason we do this is to ensure that you're only receiving messages from people you actually want to communicate with, reducing noise and distractions. Once you've made your selection, click Save. This helps us because it immediately applies the new privacy settings to your account. And that's it, folks. With these easy steps, you can customize your Slack direct message privacy, ensuring a more streamlined and distraction-free workspace. Until next time, stay productive.